Hello students, today I am going to tell you ions and radicals. First, ions. An atom or group of atom carrying positive or negative charge is called ion. There are two types of ions. First, having positive charge, and another one ions having negative charge. Then first there are two types of ions, cation, anion. Ions carrying positive charge are called cation or electropositive ion. For example, like that. And anions, ion carrying negative charge are called anions or electronegative ions. For example, etc. Like that. I am going to tell you many more examples. Now next is formation of ion. Formation of cation. An atom or molecule as a whole is electrically neutral, and an atom or molecule or a compound as a whole is electrically neutral. Whenever it loses one or more electron, the number of protons contained in the nucleus does not match with the number of electrons present in the extranuclear part of the atom, and it gets positively charged. Then if an atom or molecule is losing one or more electron, it gets positive charge. See the example. Sodium is losing one electron to form Na plus electron. Potassium losing one electron, like that. And here magnesium loses 2 electrons to form magnesium 2 plus 2 electron. Now sodium loses 1 electron to acquire a stable electronic gas configuration, like its nearest to noble gas, and this is what sodium ion. Potassium loses 1 electron to acquire stable electronic configuration like nearest to noble gas, this is K plus, like that. Now next is formation of anion. As I told you, atom or molecule is electrically neutral. If an atom or molecule is electrically neutral, then number of protons contained in the nucleus matches with the number of electrons present in the extranuclear part of the atom or molecule. But if it gains one or more electrons, then number of electrons become more than the number of protons contained in the nucleus, and it gets negative charge. See the example. Chlorine gains 1 electron to form chloride ion. Oxygen gains 2 electrons to form oxide ion. Nitrogen gains 3 electrons to form nitride ion. Carbon gains 4 electrons to form carbide ion. Like that. These are some examples I told you. Let us see radical. Now radical. There are two types of radical. One, I am going to tell you the radical which is neutral, and another one electrically charged. Then I am going to tell you two radicals. One is electrically neutral and another is electrically charged. Neutral. In chemistry there are different types of radical. First, what is radical? An atom or group of atoms carrying positive or negative charge and behave as a single unit in a chemical reaction is called radical. Now here in chemistry there is one neutral radical. Example I am telling you. Free radical. Free radicals, an atom or group of atom having odd electron or unpaired electron. These are paramagnetic in nature, short-lived, unstable, and are produced by the homolytic bond fission, by the homolytic cleavage of covalent bond in presence of ultraviolet radiation or organic peroxide. These radicals are produced. These are represented by putting a dot against the symbol of that atom or group of atom. See the example. Chlorine is a free radical. Chlorine, free radical. Like that. Methyl is a free radical. Here. CS3, methyl free radical. Methyl free radical. Like that. Methyl free radical. Now, let us see another one, electrically charged radical. There are two types of this charged radical. One is basic radical and another is acid radical. First, basic radical. Basic radical and acid radical. Basic radical. Then in basic radical, I am going to tell you first what are basic radical. Positively charged ion, positively charged radicals are called basic radical. They are also known as cation. These are called electropositive radical. See the example, monovalent. What is monovalent? Monovalent radical is that radical. Monovalent radical is that radical which carry one positive charge, and divalent radical is that radical which carry two positive charge. Trivalent means three positive charge. Tetravalent radical, four positive charge. Let us see example. Hydrogen ion, lithium ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, like that, cuprous ion, mercurous ion, or gold ion, ammonium ion. These carry only one positive charge. They are called monovalent radical. Silver ion, these are called monovalent radical. Now next is monovalent. Now let us see divalent radical. Divalent radical having two positive charge. Like here, beryllium ion, magnesium, barium, strontium, calcium. These are having two positive charge. Cupric ion, plumbous ion, ferrous ion. See, they are having two positive charge there. Nickel ion. These are having two positive charge. Cadmium ion having two positive charge, and some complex ion also are divalent, like tetraamine copper 2 ion. This is also divalent. Tetraamine zinc 2 ion. These are some examples of divalent ions. They are having two positive charge and they are divalent ion. Now tin ion, stannous. This is called stannous. Now trivalent. Trivalent ions having three positive charge. For example, ferric ion, ferric, aluminium ion, chromium ion, and after that bismuth, antimonous, arsenous. These are like that. There are ions which are having three positive charge. They are called trivalent cations. Tetravalent. For example, like here carbonium ion, platinum ion, and tin, like that, platinum, tin, plumbic, Pb plus 4 ion, Pb plus 4, plumbic, stannic, carbonium, carbon having 4 plus, silicon. These are having 4 unit positive charges. Some examples I am telling you. Pentavalent. Pentavalent, like here arsenic, antimony, like that. Few examples of pentavalent ions. Now let us see acid radicals. Acid radicals are there. Acid radicals. First, monovalent. Monovalent acid radicals have only one negative charge. Like this, monovalent acid radicals also, like these radicals, have only one negative charge. For example, here chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride, like that, chlorate or hypochlorite, chloride, and chloride, chlorate, hypoiodite, iodate, periodate, perchlorate. These are monovalent anions. Some more examples of monovalent anions like organic anions, CH3COO minus, acetate, acetate anion, formate, formate anion, and after that these anions stearate, stearate anion, palmitate, palmitate anion. These are some examples which are having only one negative charge. Benzoate. Benzoate. These are having only one negative charge on it. Nitrate. Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate. Nitrite. Permanganate. Permanganate having only one negative charge. Nitrite only one negative charge. Bisulfite. Bisulfate having only one negative charge. Then like that there are many are there monovalent. Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate. Bisulfite. Dihydrogen phosphate. These are like that, many examples are there. Divalent. Divalent anions. Some examples, let us see. Divalent having two negative charge, they are called divalent anions. Now here, for those anions which are having two negative charge, for example, here first oxide, sulfide, chromate, dichromate, manganate, sulfate, thiosulfate, tetrathionate, sulfite, HPO2, hypophosphate, carbonate is having their dichromate, here 2 minus, like that they are having the oxalate. Oxalate, citrate, citric acid is there, then citrate. Citrate. Citrate is tricarboxylic. Citrate is having 3 carboxylic group. Oxalate. Remember this again I will tell you. Trivalent anions. Like this, trivalent anions also like this have 3 negative charge. If valence is 3, then trivalent. For example, nitrite, phosphite, these are trivalent anions. And phosphate, trivalent, phosphite, trivalent, borate. If you are writing molybdate, 2 minus, molybdate, 2 minus. Here borate, arsenate, arsenite, like that. See, they are trivalent anions. Here you are writing stenate, stenite, plumbate, here aluminate, borate, aluminate, arsenate, all these are trivalent. See, having 3 negative charge over there. Phosphate having 3 negative charge, and here plumbate, stenate, molybdate, All these are having here 2 negative charge. And next, tetravalent. Tetravalent, like here, some examples let us see, which are having 4 negative charge over there. They are called tetravalent carbide. Pyrophosphate, P2O7. Hypophosphate, P2O6. Hypophosphate, pyrophosphate, carbide, silicate, like that. Tetravalent, trivalent, see, pyroborate, metaborate. If there you are writing metaborate, in this case this is called metaborate, this is called pyroborate, this is called borate. Pyroborate, metaborate, meta-aluminate. Meta-aluminate, okay, let us write AlO2, meta-aluminate. We can write here metaborate, like that. And here aluminate, arsenate, all these are having triple negative, 3 negative charge. Like that, these are some examples of basic radicals and acid radicals. I will tell you the method so that easily you can find yourself the formula of different type of radical. You can find yourself how to write it, and that's all for today. Again, next class I will tell you. Thank you.